Hi, I'm Dave Gregg from CTC, and I'm here today to talk about our MX502 cable termination boxes. This is what we call our Mini Max box. It's available in 3 types of entry. User-defined entry, where you create any holes to get your cables in for entry and exit. With the 1/2-inch conduit fitting, this is our B version. This is where we install a 1/2-inch conduit, and it's ready for you to bring your cables in through a conduit. Or our cord grip version, this is the C version, and it's available for you to bring your cord grips, the cord grips on the bottom here. You can remove this. There's a small grommet which will tighten down and provide a watertight seal. It's available in 1 through 4 channels. Each channel individually marked, numbered, right on the face of the plate. And once your cables are inside, you connect to the BNCs. Not only are the channels numbered on the faceplate, we have a location guide so that you can mark down which each channel refers to, whether it's the pump outboard bearing or your motor inboard bearing. Each one can be numbered and described on the faceplate. We try to make these very easy to use. When you're installing, the faceplates come off very easily, and when it arrives, your mounting hardware is stored inside the box for your box feet, and on the inside of the panel where you'll bring your wires up and then land them, each channel is marked positive, negative, ground. Channel 1, Channel 2, Channel 3, Channel 4. All 4 channels marked positive, negative, ground for easy installation, and keeps those instrument guys happy because they know where they have to land everything. And that is our MX502 series enclosures, available from CTC. Connect to confidence, and you can purchase them at our website, www.ctconline.com. Thanks.